CASIS works under a cooperative agreement with NASA to be the manager of the national lab on the International Space Station. So under that cooperation, we have this division of responsibilities, is that there's research done on the space station, which is for exploration and preparation for the mission to Mars, and that's allocated to efforts done by NASA. Conversely, for research that's focused on benefits to Earth, both scientific and commercial, is managed by CASIS at the ISS National Lab. The Procter & Gamble experiment is an ideal example, in my estimation, of what we're trying to achieve. Doing important research, even though Procter & Gamble is something that makes commercial products, commodity products that you and I and many people around the world use every day. There's a lot of discovery in science and engineering that has to be done to make those products efficacious and long-lasting. So I think that what we can do in microgravity for Procter & Gamble, it removes the gravity vector, so a lot of phenomena which were otherwise masked in the gravity environment here on Earth can be revealed at higher fidelity and bring greater understanding to make better products.